tayo. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Spirit. Amen. Okay, Lord, give me a food every day. Hindi pa tayo tapos mag-pray. Dali. Mag-pray muna tayo. Dali. Okay, Lord, help me. More blessing every day.